to you guys. This is going to be the start of the wind, it looks like. It's getting darker over here, so. First rumble we've heard in a while. Now guys, I'm trying to multitask here. Darker and darker and darker. The sun is now went in. Take a quick look over here to the east. You can see this cloud boundary. It's way back there now. That's what we were watching move in. Hopefully I caught that good enough. But there she is now. Here. But as I said, this is supposedly only the outflow. This isn't the main storm. If it starts to rain, I might have to just go out back. Part loose some limbs out of the steel. Geez, hope that wind's not blowing the microphone. Shit. Yeah, 50, 60 mile an hour, easily. It's dropped about 10 degrees. Jesus, bro. Fuck. That was like an 80 mile an hour. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. That wasn't cool. We just had a huge limb come down. I don't see it. I heard it hit the house. Alright, I gotta go out back here. Holy crap, guys. That shit freaked me out. That literally, the iPad almost blew out of my bitchin' hand. Oh my god. Alright, I don't like shit like that. Oh wow. Oh no, the patio umbrella. Oh, we just had a huge limb crash down. Oh. Oh my god. What the hell? Yeah guys, this is definitely at least 70 mile an hour winds. What the hell's going on with that umbrella? I just gotta face south, guys. I can't go out there in this. What the hell? Yeah, this storm was a little much. Should go film in my room, not the west side, but I kind of want to watch this unfold personally. Oh man, there's a gust of wind too. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Umbrella looks like it's right there. Open this door up. Yeah, it definitely is done. Oh man, that's about 50 or 60 degree air blowing in right now. Incredible how much that temperature dropped. I'm gonna try and step over here, get a view to my west. Yeah, can't really do it, guys. Can't do it. Guess I'll go film out the front door. Oh man. What in the world? There's a gust of wind. Hold on, guys. Man! I wonder if we'll get any hail out of this thing. I think it's done plenty, but can't even get a view over here, really. Whoa, jet. Yeah, this is the kind of the northwest view. Shit! Okay. Oh man! This is getting crazy. Man, what the heck? Tom, James, Billy, Paul, Scott, Marshall, Nathan. Anybody else I'm forgetting? This is a good one for y'all. I bet my mom's hiding out at the dollar store. I didn't think she could make it back. I told her. I'm trying to get a little view of the northwest, but it is what it is. There's some winds. Who is it? I thought I seen a flash of lightning. Maybe not. Core of the storm still isn't here. I mean, the rain core isn't anyway. It's raining pretty good though. Street lights on, you can see over there. And it tells you it's getting pretty dark. I got that. Here's a look at the yard. You guys can probably see anything that fell on. Anyway. Looks kind of face north. I really need to turn that frickin' TV off. I just realized that was on. Hang on, guys. Damn it. No, it's my bad. That's a stupid cartoon. It's kind of annoying. I don't see the remote either. Jesus. Sorry about that. Not as much lightning as I thought there would be with this, but yeah, here comes the rain. Boom. Well, that was insane. Yeah, what the heck? Sorry for freaking out a little bit, but that was really nuts. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start a part